Hi, I'm Mark. Today we are going to learn Kano prioritization methodology. We are going to use ChatGPT to learn this prioritization methodology. Stay tuned. I'm going to ask to teach ChatGPT to teach me Kano prioritization, providing real life examples and in context of software development and e-commerce. Let's check it together. Please teach me how to implement Alright, let's see. So it gives you the perspective how step-by-step guide to implement Kano Model to your e-commerce project. It's still not real life, it's not a kind of historical example, but still it's a step-by-step guidance towards e-commerce, which is much more precise than just general example. So let's see, let's check it. What I see here: identify features and user needs, prepare Kano questionnaire, survey your customers, analyze the responses. Okay, and those kind of basic features, right? So must be one-dimensional performance features, right? So excitement, indifferent, reverse. Yeah, now we're going to prioritize features. I will add this prompt right below this video so you can use it. You can just copy and paste, change the topic and play with it. We could definitely play and experiment with this prompt, right? So let's say I would edit this prompt, I would edit this specific approach towards methodology, right? And I would change it a bit. Now it's more realistic, right? Amazing. So this one is much more real. One simple tweak and we have completely different story. This is like a completely different story, that's for sure. So what I see here, we have like identify features and user needs, right? So easy product search, product recommendations, mobile app, seamless checkout process, customer reviews, live chat support, personalized shopping experience, social media integration. Sounds awesome. Survey, questionnaire, analyze responses. Basic, performance, excitement, indifferent. Amazing. So you have a real life example. Prioritization, incorporate prioritization into product roadmap, communicate and collaborate. I think this is awesome. Subscribe to my channel, thumbs up. Right below this video in description you will find all prompts and everything what's necessary and this script. Alright, see you soon.